Okay, so today we're here at Maluaka Beach. We're gonna do some snorkeling. Hopefully today the water will be clear, and with that we'll be able to see a lot of cool fish and cool stuff, so should be fun. All right, you guys ready to get some snorkeling then?
Oh yeah.
All right, well, let's go check out the water, see what we can see. Okay, well, it started raining a little bit ago, and it's been windy since then. It's still pretty cloudy. So, we packing up. Did get a little bit of snorkeling in though, so go find something else to do for the rest of the day. Bye.